Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today's activity is very special. You need to test your speed level under physics, okay? So more often having complained about your exams, you weren't able to finish on time, you could solve the problems, but the 2 hours or the 1 hour 30 minutes or even the 1 hour wasn't enough for you to complete your task, okay? I'm very sure that you could or you can solve all these problems I'm about giving you, but we need to do them as soon as possible. So test your speed race today. Kindly get a sheet of paper and then also a pen, and then if you have a calculator you can add it as well, and then also kindly have yourself and then be involved in this video, okay? So as you've gotten all your elements needed for this task, this is how we are going to do the work. I'll give you the question and then I'll give you 30 seconds for the question, and when the 30 seconds is up I'll show you the answer, okay? I want you to get the answer before I show you my answer, and there are 8 questions. If you don't get the answer, don't give up. Just try your best in the next question, okay? The questions are under energy, power, forces, pressure, okay, and then engines, okay? So with these questions, if you've not learned the topic, I'm very sorry you cannot do it, but if you've learned the topic, kindly be involved in this. Test your speed race as to whether you are too intelligent in the topic or you don't have much ideas, you don't really understand the topic. It doesn't really matter, okay? So I'm giving you the first question, and even with the question you can choose to refuse looking on the screen. You can choose to listen to me while I'm reading the question to you, and then you just listen, try to remember the question as you've listened, and then solve the problem, okay? Or you can even choose to watch from your screen, okay? I'll show it on the screen as well. So let's get into the first question. The first question says, an athlete of weight 600 newtons runs up a flight of stairs 10 meters high in 12 seconds. Calculate the power of the athlete. So the right answer is 500 watts. I believe you had that one. Next question. A ball of mass 100 grams falling through a distance of 5 meters onto a floor rebounds to a height of 3 meters. Calculate the energy lost by the ball. Take acceleration due to gravity to be 10 meters per second square. So the right answer is 2.0 joules. Next question. A boy of mass 70 kg climbed a hill 1000 meters high. Calculate the maximum energy gained by the boy. Take acceleration due to gravity to be 10 meters per second square. So the right answer is 7 times 10 to the power 5 joules. Next question. An object of mass 0.5 kg is thrown vertically up with a velocity of 30 meters per second. Calculate its potential energy at the maximum height. Take acceleration due to gravity to be 10 meters per square second. So I believe you had 225.0 joules. Next question. Electric motor primarily converts what energy to what energy? 10 seconds. So electric motor converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. More on that in our Telegram group. If you've not been able to join our Telegram group, I highly recommend you to use the first link below the description to join our Telegram group. Next question. A block of mass 2 kg is released from a point of 6 meters above the ground. Calculate its mechanical energy after falling through a distance of 4 meters. So the right answer is 120 joules. If you've been able to solve all the questions, a big congratulations to you. If you've not been able to solve any of them, no problem. And if you've been able to solve some of them, congratulations as well. Let's continue. Elizabeth drops a 50 grams toy from her windows, which is 6 meters from the ground. What is the kinetic energy of her toy as it hits the ground? So the right answer is 3 joules. I believe you've been able to solve a lot of these questions, and if you've been able to solve more than 5, congratulations. A 0.5 kg block slides across a tabletop with an initial velocity of 20 centimeters per second and comes to rest in a distance of 70 centimeters. Calculate the frictional force that retarded its motion. Alright, so the answer is 0.014 newtons. Thank you very much for solving these problems. I hope you were able to do more of these problems, at least if you weren't able to do all of them. If you were able to do all of them, congratulations, wow. Let me know down in the comment section, and if you weren't able to do all of them, no problem, but I believe you were able to do at least half of them. And if you weren't able to do half of them, no problem. If you weren't able to do any of them too, no problem, okay? It's a gradual process, and you'll get to a point where your speed will build to a certain level that will actually help you to solve these problems, even if you give you less than 30 seconds. So these are all OBJ questions. That is why I gave you 30 seconds to solve all of them, okay? So thank you very much once again. Kindly follow as we do these things day in and day out. I believe it will help you so well. So don't hesitate to subscribe. Don't hesitate to let me know down in the comment section your scores, and don't also hesitate to join our Telegram channel. Until I see you again, stay safe.